Apple is apparently easing its mask wearing requirements in U.S. stores. Report. This was actually reported on the mainstream news, not just the Apple sites. It was on there, but then it was also on the mainstream news because, well, I guess it's some sort of a key indicator for a turnaround. There's an interesting component to it, though, which is it's only for vaccinated visitors. So you go to the Apple store.
Well, you got to bring your credentials?
There you go. You see how things get complicated. Now, apparently, this is all, by the way, I should say, what is this? It's not a leak. Bloomberg apparently got a document, I guess, a memo to employees obtained by Bloomberg. Apple said it would be relaxing its physical distancing requirements. So when they say vaccinated guests are not going to be required to wear a mask, this is one of those things where it's going to have to be, you kind of have to just go on somebody's word. Like if a person is willing to lie about it, I guess there's nothing you can do because you can't be asking for documents to get in the door.
Yeah.
You're stressed just thinking about it.
It is. I mean, it's always so much traffic in the Apple store.
Yeah.
It's like there's going to be a lineup and
They take your fingerprint.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I mean, people are scared about it. I don't really care. I mean, I don't know. It's a complicated topic. I don't really have to get to the Apple store that badly. So inside, like I would just order online. I don't need to get inside that store. So it's not really a big deal to me. But as an indicator for the rest of the marketplace, Apple, of course, big, huge company, market leader. Other companies are going to look to their moves and say, maybe we should implement something similar. But and who knows? Maybe certain employees have their own individual opinions within there about how much they want to press.
Yeah. The politics.
But it can turn into a fight real quick. I'll tell you something. Because all you got to do is go around social media every so often, poke around a little bit, and you'll see people fighting over this thing for the last year and whatever. But either way, a lot of people are vaccinated, and so the risk is down just by nature of numbers. And obviously, the ideal scenario for Apple's in-store experience is that people can enter however they see fit. And apparently, they're going to begin to relax things according to this internal memo, which was never, by the way, intended as any kind of press release. So that's important to note, too. These things can change. But apparently, they're going to start rolling this out to certain stores in different regions, parts of California, including their own offices. Employees, however, in the Apple store, again, according to the memo, masked up.
Okay.
So employees got their masks. Vaccinated customers got the option. But like you said, likely going to be held on somebody's word. But that's kind of already like that. Though, Will, think about this for a second.
What?
When you go and they say any cough, any fever, any travel, any this, any that, it's kind of the same thing. You're going off the person's word.
Yeah.
You don't have any document that they're not asking you for a travel document that showcases the fact that you haven't left your house in the last whatever it is. But anyway, you got something. Go ahead.
What concerns me is the fact that this is the Apple store. So there's going to be deaths of devices that people are going to touch. You know what I mean?
Okay.
And talk and the spit is on the screen and it's like.
Oh, you want the mask.
I believe if this is the store this is not the right store to be the first ones to not have masks.
Well,
I feel like.
Actually, they're not. A number of other companies have already eased things up, including the likes of Walmart, Sam's Club, Trader Joe's, Publix, and Costco. So some big time retailers have eased the thing up.
Yeah. Well, I don't know. Maybe they shouldn't announce it the way that they did. Like it's an official
Oh, they didn't. That's an internal memo, right? They didn't.
Okay. Never mind then.
Yeah, they didn't announce it. It kind of leaked out, or whoever, Bloomberg somehow got their hands on it.
But either way, this is going to happen, right? Like slowly and surely.
Well, it's a type of thing where it's just a question of timing. And it's up for discussion.
Sure, yeah.
Timing is obviously up for discussion, and they're going to select their behavior dependent on the market that they're in. Like whichever market is going to have different rules and stipulations. But I mean, you see how it is. Well, in certain parts of the world, the mask just became part of the culture. The idea of being in public and wearing a mask.
Yeah.
But I don't think most people in North America had made that decision that the mask was going to be permanent.
Right.
I think a lot of people here, and who knows what the reasoning and the complicated studies that could be done to figure out how people feel about it. Some people, I believe, will go deep with the mask, and other people can't wait to get it off. And that's just the truth about the culture.
Yeah. It's human nature and the culture. Yeah.
It's
for
gonna
sure.
it's gonna be different wherever you go, and people, whatever set of values is most important to certain individuals, and everybody's got their point. For the record, like it's like so many things in life. It's not there's no it's not black and white, right? There's a lot more nuance to it, and I think companies even like Apple recognize it. Like they were saying about employees coming back to work previously as well. Apple was doing something similar there, where I think they're recognizing that like there's certain elements of their business that, again, if the memo's to be believed, there's certain elements of their business that suffer in an environment with distance in it. Like they're trying to create a whole image, and an Apple store just don't look the same if the faces are all covered. If permanently.
Yeah, totally.
You know that they how they hire their employees. It's a whole process. Like, you know how happy those people are? Yeah, but happiness is hard without the mouth.
Yes.
Happiness, you can't put your real face emoji out into the world with the partial covering.
Yeah.
So
Impossible.
you can try with your eyes. Like some people say you can smile with your eyes. You can try.
Yeah. I've seen some funny TikToks of like people thinking that they're smiling and then they take off their mask
Yeah.
and they're just like frowning.
Exactly.
It's
Anyway, point being is it looks like things are starting to ease up, and Apple's going to jump on that train.